Hi, good morning. I have no clue what Vlogmas this is because I have like 2 others that I'm working on editing right now that I pre-filmed that were No Bake with Me and Friends, and then Facebook Messenger Drunk with Friends. So yeah, I'm still working on those, so I have no clue when this will go up, but if you've been following my Vlogmas, you know that there's a special person coming to visit me for the first time in like 3 years. I'm looking for my water. I don't know where I put it. And I'm sorry about that, but I'm cleaning. First time in 3 years, my best friend is coming to see me. We are going to see each other for the first time in like 3 years. And I'm ecstatic. Oh my God. Okay, so yeah, my best friend is coming. She's on her way here. She'll be here in like 2 hours, maybe 3. And I'm cleaning the apartment to get it ready for her, and then it will be Vlogmas for the next like 3 days with my best friend. I'm so excited. Oh my God. We have no clue what we're doing. We have like a very minimal, like very open plan of when she gets here. We'll probably do some studying, and then we're planning on walking down Wayward Market to check out like the bars and the cafes and stuff. Wow, my bags are huge. And then tonight, although it's a Sunday and then it will be weekdays, this is really not a good time, but we're gonna try and find like a bar or something that we can do together. We've never drank together before, so we'll probably drink together. Maybe we'll do like a truth or dare or something. I don't know. And yeah, so I'm so excited. I'm cleaning the apartment, getting it ready for her. I'll show you guys what I've done so far. In case you missed it, I moved my coffee maker finally. I've been talking about doing this for like a month and finally did it this morning. So again, sorry about the washer. I know it's loud. So I moved all of my art stuff from over here to this corner, just to get it out of the way. Yeah. Still need to clean up the couch, get that all off. I'll probably grab one of my pink blankets to put on the couch so my friend has somewhere to sit. I need to clean up all this. I wiped down the table because it still had chocolate from the Bake With Me video, so that's finally clean. Little tray table, I'm gonna move back over here somewhere. I am hoping to finish painting this sometime soon, so that video will be up soon. I'm so excited. Then I'm just doing some dishes. Gotta put away what's in the dishwasher, wash all that. And yeah, and here's the coffee maker. I think it's a cute spot. I might put something underneath so I can like drop my keys there or something. And that's pretty much it right now. So yeah, I haven't really vlogged in a few days just because I've been chilling, been enjoying the weekend, getting some stuff done. So yeah, I'm gonna go finish cleaning, and then I need to finish editing those videos so that my phone is clear so that I can vlog while my friend's here. I'm so excited. Here is my cleaned apartment. Sorry about the washer, dryer. I forgot to show that I got a few things from Value Village a while ago. So there's that thingy. Just thought it would be cute. I can put like my keys there. Gotta put the dishes away. And then here's the table. I also got that from Value Village. My workspace, and then because my friend's also a student, she'll have her workspace if she wants it. And yeah, just my normal apartment, all my art stuff over in that corner. And then here is where she'll be staying, on this side of the door, because she wanted a view. Okay, so I think everything is clean. I still have a few dishes to put away. And then whatever's in the dryer right now. But I'm done. Oh, and then the laundry on my bed. I did what I could in the amount that I had. That also included going on TikTok for like an hour. Anyways, my friend just called me. I'm waiting for her to call me back because she has horrible timing and called me while I was on the toilet. And I'm so excited to see her for the first time in like 3 years. Yay!